going to make a drawing of a rabbit, which is shown in the cartoon of Peppa Pig. So kids, let's start by making straight lines, and gradually all the lines will meet. Now it is the turn of its clothes. After that, make its eyes. Now make its mouth. Now make its ears and tail. Now keep filling color in its face slowly. First give skin color to its ears, for which we will first fill color inside the black marks. Now complete the remaining area while coloring. Now color its hands. Then color its feet and shoes with pink color. Now we will start filling colors. Keep in mind that the color should not come out. We will fill the color of the clothes with dark sky blue color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing? Fill its nose with pink color and cheeks also with pink color. In this way, our drawing is getting ready. Tell us how it looks. If you like it, then like, subscribe and share with your friends. To watch new videos like this, subscribe to our channel.